Welcome to one of my favorite games to play because I am very single. And this game is called Crush Crash. It's basically just a dating sim cookie clicker kind of thing. I love it very much. And I have it set to not immediately get banned on YouTube mode. So I'm going to mess with the phone fling stuff because I haven't 100%ed that yet. But I have, here, yeah. I have max reset, bonus, and all achievements. So you can tell I play this game too much. All hobbies maxed. All jobs except this one because I missed her. Apparently I wasn't playing at the time. So grr, I'm gonna have to get her next time she comes out. I'm about to buy this girl because I'm an idiot and I missed a few days. But it's fine, I got enough. So anyway, let's get into Hacker Girl. It's more effective ways to tell me that you like me than saying I want to kiss your feet. True. Let's play one more game and then be going. And then I should be going. You down for a little wager? Guess depends on what we're wagering. I'm down like a clown. Depends on what we're wagering. Do, and you gotta wait a little bit for a response. Do. I'll like it. You promise. Okay. While that's going on, let's say hi to Sawyer. I don't know anything about this girl. Let's see. Hey. My name is Sawyer. Call me Soy. Got your number on the Hey There Sport team sign up app thingy. Sure. Sure you did. Why not? So for the intro, but I got spot volleyball team needs to fill ASAP. Otherwise won't be able to play this season. You're on a team? Nah, I'm not on one. Say no? Sure. I'll say no. Please, please. No. No, but only because he said please 3 times. I freaking love this game. Sometimes it's so stupid. There's also... Oh, where's this girl? This girl here. We're about to get a picture from this girl. I could expand that to full screen, but it's already borderline enough for YouTube to maybe have problems, even though this is not sent to, yeah, even though this is not sent to freaking hentai mode. There's basically a hentai mode. It's just uncensored. Yeah, this girl's a time traveler, by the way. She's I don't know, she's weird. Good journey. So I am excited to see what that photo looks like outside of this mode. Because, yeah, it's going to be a lot nicer. Okay. Hurry. Depends on what we're wagering. Oh, hang on. There was actually something to scroll down to. Okay. Let's do one more little hacking war. As an AI, I love myself some hacking wars. We'll switch up our defenses so you can break into the other's firewall first. Yeah, she's a hacker. And then I space magic hack or something. Whoever loses has to send a saucy pic of the winner's description. Ooh, fun. Ooh. She's got her heart set on a little dress-up idea for me. Sound good? Sounds good. On your mark. Okay. I'll save that one for later because that's going to be fun. Okay. I want to get the first picture with this girl before we end today. I freaking love this game. I'm a freaking addict because I don't have a girlfriend. Kami, you know, hit me up. Send me no, or Did I put you in a tight spot and you're just being nice to me? It says in your profile that you're looking to join any sports team. So you can learn the power of teamwork and friendship. Of course. So I think we get a, yeah. Firefighter and model. All I have to say on the matter is jobs here. Fast food, restaurant owner, lifeguard, cleaning, art, computers, hunting, zoo, casinos, sports, legal, movies, murdering stuff, space, love, and wizard. So, yeah, firefighter's probably in there somewhere. Probably. Probably did that on one weekend, just once, just for the lulz. Sure. Seems about right. Worship Pamu. Oh, yeah. I know that. Yeah. And no, he does not play for Brazil, and she more like. I've got a troll in my name, in my life named Pamu. It must be her doing. Alright, I'm going to go introduce you to her now that that's been mentioned. Pamu!
Bet you hate seeing me go, but love watching me leave.
That was loud. Okay. Ouch. Freaking rip headphone users. Jesus. So that's Pamu. We're not going to speak about her further because she just upset me by talking way too loudly. Let's go back to her. Posted your number as a prank. Yeah, probably. That's probably something she'd do. You thought this sounded too good to be true? Usually things are. Oh, hi, Desi. She's playing Final Fantasy XIV. Take your profile for being a fake. Should get taken down pretty quickly. Hey, I like this one. Okay, hold on a sec. Did you say volleyball? What kind of league is it? And what's a volleyball? I don't want to be too sassy. Volleyball is nice, especially when it's girls playing. Bouncy, bouncy. Come on. Yes, I did say that. And are you interested? Well, maybe I am. But first we gotta see what you look like. Sorry, I may have come on a little strong there. Oh yeah, you think? A little bit crazy. Just a tiny bit. I'm not crazy now. Well, that's a lie. I am crazy, but shh. I'm the good kind. Monday, Wednesday, Friday in the evenings. Tournaments every other Saturday. Are you interested? Lock and load soy. Let's spike some balls. Sounds like a blast. Count me in. I'm not 6'8", but I have a pretty decent buff stat. Hang on. Let me check my buff stat. Buff. Yeah. 75 buff. I got a pretty decent buff stat. Yeah. I think we're good enough. I think I can. Yeah. I got this. Yeah. Pretty decent buff stat. Decent is plenty. Oh, I have max sweets. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Again with the threes. You have a thing with the rule of threes there, my dear. The deadline to register is in a couple of hours. I'll get that in right away. Yeah, you probably should have done that sooner. Leaving things to the last minute never goes well. Just gonna sign us up, then I'll send you the info you need and a pic so you know what I look like. That's exactly what I'm in this for, sweetheart. Happy dance. Oh, so precious. Oof. Burb. And that is where the 6 hours remaining until we get anything interesting happening pops up. So that's where we're locked for now. Come back in 6 hours on that. Okay, you know what I can do? I can voice volume. Come way the frick down. Okay. Now we can go over the girls without them trying to literally murder my audio. Okay. First we have this girl in her Christmas outfit. I have no idea what some of these girls are going to be in because I had them in the no clothing mode. So that gives me a different outfit that's literally nothing that I can put on them. This girl's precious. Again, I have her in a Christmas outfit. Why not?
I feel like laying on my back, putting your hand on my tummy, and then biting and scratching you. You busy?
Cat girl. Nya nya. She's precious. I don't know why I put all these girls in their Christmas outfits.
Why do they call them fingers? I've never seen them fiend.
She's not the smartest, but she's got good assets. If you know what I mean.
How do you feel about whips and handcuffs? Because yes and yes.
Maybe and yes. Yeah, so this is Notaku. She is named after the lewd game site that you can play a lot of games on, including this game. This game's actually on Notaku. And this girl is just literally the site personified. She's fascinating.
Time for my daily exercise. 100 squats, 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and a 10-kilometer run.
Exercise fanatic. Southern Belle.
Open your mouth and close your eyes. Trust me, sugar, I'm a southern girl with a penchant for bacon. This will only end well.
Like I said, Southern Belle. Adorable, precious little thing. She owns a bakery. Ayana-chan from Mandalay Simulator.
Did you hear about Bonnabelle's secret ingredient? Apparently, the health inspector will be investigating soon.
Yeah, she tries to sabotage you in the background with everyone. Freaking precious.
Greetings, designation lover. Are you here to conduct research? To pleasure me? Or both?
Female version of the Terminator. I'm not even joking. Her freaking backstory is perfectly consistent with the Terminator freaking stuff. So yeah, she's also a robot. So yeah, she's yeah, I'm pretty sure she's a Terminator. We don't talk about this one.
Oh, you caught me doing some actual cleaning. The upstairs bathroom has been declared a national disaster zone. I'm going in.
Scottish. I think she's Scottish. But yeah, I love this girl. She's the secretary, basically. Boy, this girl's expensive. Literally. Although, to be fair, you have to buy Ayana like 50 supercars or some weird nonsense. Or 5,000. I don't remember. I blocked out the exact numbers due to not really wanting to do with it. Hatsune Miku ripoff.
Man, now that I take showers, my singing sounds even better while I'm in there. I wonder if I can fit a whole concert in there.
Yep, Hatsune Miku. The freaking god of our universe over here.
You know what I love? Vaginas. They never go out of style. You should get one of your own, if you don't have one. And I don't mean being a pussy.
Yeah, she's freaking magical girl over here, literally god of our universe. So yeah, that's a thing.
You know, if you ever get as powerful as you are cute, you might even give me a run for my money.
Wizard chick. She does magic. And Eva. If the first thing you thought of was Neon Genesis Evangelion, you are correct.
Fly me to the moon, and let me play among the stars.
Her background is very similar to Neon Genesis Evangelion. These two weird ones.
Love is unstoppable. Just like that junk in your trunk. Come, let us find a song and float away our troubles for the day.
Not really my style. Dark one. Not accessible because plot. Copernicus, not accessible because of plot.
Maybe later we can get together and take a stroll in the park and then be physically intimate.
This girl is literally a freaking diamond. These diamonds. Yeah, she's crazy. Slime girl. All slime girls. The weird monster DLC over here is what this one is. Then we also have Quill Zone. It's just a fancy version of Quill that's something I don't really know. I don't know this one. This one's weird to me. Mermaid. Horse girl. Charlotte Bundle, I don't have her. Hopefully she comes back out soon. Robot.
I had to walk all the way here. I tried to take the bus, but the driver wouldn't take price for currency. Barbarian.
Yeah, this is like a sentient rice cooking bot. So, yeah, that's a thing. And I'm excited to play with this girl. Oh god, phrasing. But yeah, so I'll be picking her up soonish. And if you guys enjoyed this video on Crush Crush and want me to actually like go through her stuff, we can do that. That could be fun. Anyway, bye for now.